Hey, Dan Dakota over here at Mercedes. So this is the box truck that I have. It's a 13-foot box with actually L-track in there. It's a 2023 that we just had upfitted from a new van that finally got finished. Does come with a lift on it that is fully powered, with the lift capacity being at 2,200 pounds, and the total gross vehicle weight of this is 12,125. Now this system is actually a very nice one. Comes with a nice little remote to it that you can actually unplug when you're actually not using it. So all your functions, your lift, your tilt, it's all right on here. Lift your and your lower, and you actually change the angles. You got to press 2 at a time here to actually lift it up and down. But this is one of the box trucks that we do have here. Just want to take a minute here, show you what I have here, see if this might work for you, and take it from there. Thanks, buddy.